Today we are at Old Town. It is in Florida. We stopped here to check it out today, and that's what you can see behind me. And it just opened, so we got here. We're one of the early birds, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it's like.
Degrees. There's a haunted attraction.
It's really hot today, and Camden wants to go into that fountain over there. It's so hot. Let's see, what is it here? 88 today. That's what it is right now. So it's a little hot, a little sticky. I can't believe that we're here like this early and there's nobody here. So we just walked the whole way down to the end here just to see what all is here first. And it looks like they do have lots of rides here. So if you're looking for rides, they do have lots of rides, as you can see here behind me. But like I said, we're here a little early and I don't think they're operating yet, or there's just nobody on them yet. But there was a bunch of rides down where we came from, which was down that way. As you can see, the things down there sticking up in the sky. So there is more rides here. But right now we are gonna go and check out some of the stores that we walked down through already and go in and out. And we're starting with this one. So we just got done in a store we just came out of, and as you can see over here they got go-karts, and this is more of the rides over this way. We're going to continue down this way and keep doing some more shopping, or store looking, I should say. Looks like a little mini carnivore